Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel. It's a poor trading day for our markets. Nifty cracked like anything. So I thought of posting a video saying what next after today's crack of its downgrade in about US markets. So practically speaking, this has nothing to do with our markets. Actually, the problem is created by institutions. One of the big institution rating agency has downgraded US markets from AAA to AA plus. That is a downgrade actually. So one step downside from where it was earlier. So the fear which all other markets have got is whether the next downgrade will come to our markets. That is the actual fear which came into markets across the world today, and you may not see even one single market which is strong today. This is really because that whether the next downgrade comes to us, that is the fear factor. Okay, so that is the only reason we have fell down today. Never mind, in a strong bull market these kind of corrections are healthy. We can see Nifty minus 207 points, but 207 points is nothing but 1%. Okay, if you calculate from 19992, which is the high, it is hardly 2.25 percentage. So this is not a crash like some people are saying. This is just a profit booking scenario. Okay, first remember that. And then now we will move on to the charts. What next? So I have drawn the Fibo levels by connecting the March lows and the July high. Earlier this Fibo was on this side, earlier high to March low. Now I have shifted in the opposite direction from March low to July high. So with this I have added two moving averages. One in the black line is 20 moving average, and then the blue line is 50 moving average. So this is the first close below 20 moving average after a very long time. So if you see here, intraday we broke here and then closed on the higher side. Intraday we broke here and closed on the higher side. If you see, when was the last time it closed below 20 moving averages? It was on 29th of March 2023. So April, May, June, July, 4 months continuously we are continuously traversing above the 20 moving average. So now if you think that whether this kind is healthy for markets, you may definitely get an answer that this is healthy for markets, even though we have booked some losses today. Why? Because the next up move will be more powerful. Okay. So now coming back to the support. So we should not have broken 20 moving average and closed below, but we have done it. Even though if we would have broken, we should not have broken this 19563, which was the first day of the series low. 28th July is Friday. That was the first day of August series. That was the low. So we should not have broken that level. Now we have broken that level and we have gone past below that level also. In fact, we have closed below that level. Okay. So we are actually weak now. But the next support comes at this particular zone. This low. which is 19303. Coincidingly, this 19303 is correlating with that of the 78.6% retracement of Fibo levels. There are good chances that we may take support over here and climb on the higher side again. Even if this breaks, the next support comes at 19093, which is the 50 moving average, where we can take support. If at all we break that 50 moving average, then only we can see the level of this 61.8 zones. As of now, I feel that we will take support at this particular zone itself, 19,300, and then climb on the higher side. So nothing to worry at all. As per Gift Nifty status, we are down by some 60-70 points, I guess. Let me check once again. In fact, 70 points. We need to correlate Gift Nifty with that of Nifty futures, right? So 19,585 is the last traded price today, but Gift Nifty is actually trading at 19,505 right now, which means 70 points down tick. Sorry, 80 points down tick as of present situation. We don't know where it will close by 2:30 in the morning. So that is the actual scenario. Okay. So if at all we get a gap down opening tomorrow, just wait for some time and see whether we are nearing this 330 mark, 330, 350 mark. If we get over there, we can take a long trade somewhere between like 19,300 to 19,330, 340. This 40 point range would be a best idea to take a long trade with the stop loss of maybe 25 points below the 19,300 mark, which is 19,275. That could be your stop loss. So hardly 25 points below 300 and maybe 40 points above 300 means even if you are taking entry at 19,340, your stop loss will be maximum 65 to 70 points. Maximum, I am saying. If we are lucky and we are getting 19,300 zones, then our stop loss will be only 25 to 30 points. And if there is a bounce from here, it will definitely be strong. And that strength will gain once we close above the 20 moving average again. Okay. And to add on to this, I have connected the low of March and the low where we have tested the 20 moving average last time and drawn a rising trend line. If you see today's low, it is almost close to this trend line. This red color trend line which I have drawn, you may see I have connected the March low and the low where we have earlier tested the 20 moving average. Still we have not breached even that particular trend line. So as far as I am concerned, this is not a big fall to be worried. If my guess is right, tomorrow will be a down day again. Maybe in the first half full we may go down and probably we may even test 19,300. But in the second half, there will be a recovery and most probably we will be closing minus 50 to plus 50 points, which is plus or minus 50 points from today's close. Why I am saying this, if tomorrow is not a weekly expiry, I would have definitely said that Nifty will close in green. Why I am adding minus 50 points is, it is because of expiry factor. Because we very well know expiry days, nothing is in our control. It is in control of purely by the institutional players. So they will decide what needs to be the close on the end of the day. If that is happening from day after tomorrow, that is on Friday, we will see market recovering slowly. The moment it gives a close above 20 moving average again, the movement on the upside will be fast. Okay. So if you ask me what kind of trade you can take based on this scenario, it's pretty difficult for me to say right now, but I can give you one trade. Earlier I have said how to trade in futures, but now if you are a options lover, do one thing. If Nifty comes towards 19300 to 19350 zones, you may take a 19350 call of tomorrow expiry as 0 or 0 and hold on to it. If it gives a close at 19514, whatever the price is today, you will see it at 60 rupees, 65 rupees. Okay. If you want to play very safe, don't take tomorrow expiry call. Better take next week expiry call. Maybe 19450 or 19500 call. Maybe 19450 call will be an ideal thing. 19450 call when Nifty spot reaches 19350 to 320 zones of next week and hold on. If Nifty gives a close below 19300, then exit your position. If not, you can carry your position till next week. If the thing is any kind of news based fall like this, will get arrested in next 3 days. So today is the first day, maybe tomorrow, day after. That's the maximum time this news factor can rule the markets. Barring after that 3 days, definitely the original trend will start continuing. That's all. That's all for now. Have a good day, friends. See you all in the next video. I hope I have clarified to the best possible, simplest manner where you can understand things in easily. Bye for now.